welcome to my presentation of Diagnostic Tools and the Oracle Listener. My name is Miguel Pastor. I'm a senior student at George Mason University. I guess I'm going to cover very important topics that I guess all database administrators should know. This is my agenda. I'm going to go through a brief introduction first, and then I'm going to cover the first topic, which is Diagnostic Tools. I'm going to talk about alert log files, trace files, and the second topic is going to be Oracle Listener. I'm going to talk about the listener control utilities, some vulnerabilities that the listener has, and also some security measures that all DBAs should take on the database. Well, I guess most are familiar with the roles of DBAs. The main role of the database administrator is basically to have the database run without problems. One of those roles is to have the database secure. This is very important. Data must there should be integrity on it. So when the database actually is installed at the first time, the Oracle system, there are some configurations that are not secure. So DBA should take care of that. So it is very important for that to know some diagnostic tools that I'm going to cover in this presentation. And also, as I said, the Oracle Listener must be secure. So diagnostic tools basically are some tools where the Oracle database tracks all information like events, errors, and those are recording some files. So these two files are alert log files and trace files. Those are the diagnostic tools. So the first diagnostic tool that I'm going to talk is alert log files. Basically, these files are text files. You can read and go through easily. These alert log files actually record information from database, such as database startup, shutdowns, lock switches, instance recovery operations, media recovery operations, critical errors, any kind of errors, and store it in a chronological way. So that the DBA can go through and have a good diagnostic about what was the problem. So the DBA actually should constantly check these files, because nobody knows what could happen. Actually, there are some errors that the user can see them, but there are some others that actually is internal errors that the user don't see it, but these errors are recorded in these alert log files. The name of the file actually is the alert underscore, and this SID, which is the system ID, that's the naming convention. Where is stored this file? Actually, it's stored pretty much in the Oracle directory, RDBMS, and the folder trace. Well, this is by default. Sometimes DBA change this location. How? Well, they use the background dump test initialization parameter. You can use that, and you can change it at any time. So there are some precautions actually with the alert log files. These files can reach its maximum size. If this happens, actually the DBA must back up this file, rename it, move it to another place. There is no problem, because if this file is moved to another folder or another location, Oracle database actually will create it right away in the folder that is specified in the background dump test parameter. Well, this is our first demo. I'm gonna show you how can you open the alert log file, how to go through, so we can see it. So let me open first my SQL Plus. I'm gonna enter access right here. Alright, let me connect. I have that database privileges as administrator. First, I will show you how can you see where is located the alert log file. So as I said, we can use the parameter background dump test. So we say like show parameter background dump test. Okay, so we'll see right here where it's located. So which is right here in this folder through this path. So let me to make this more friendly, I'm going to open this window, which is actually so I can go through this path. Okay, so it is, as we see right here, this is in my case this is my root. So let's go through Oracle product, it is admin ITE, and I believe the folder says right here bdump. Alright, so we found it. We found this alert log file. I'm gonna download it to my desktop so we can go through it. Okay, let me open it. Actually I use WordPad, which because it's more friendly to see this file. Notepad is not good because it's gonna put everything together. It's not friendly to see it. So it's right here. As I say, it's very dense, this file. It keeps all records, all events, all errors that the database occurs. So let's go to the end of the file. See, you can see right here, for example, there occur some errors. They give you like location what is in the error in details. You can see through this file and read it. What does the alert log file?